Oh yeah, Saka.
No!
Go! I said it. I can see a goal here, Miss Smith-Rowe, 1-0. They go chop am today. They meant. They go chop am. Hey God. Baba Sato, you see that goal?
I never see her, and I dey near there, my brother.
Ah, now 1-0, 11 minutes. They go chop am. Nothing they stop for here.
I don't see her, my brother.
I talk and say I can see a goal here. You don't understand? I see him. I say I can see a goal here. The move. I see that move when the guy does it. Just watch the Odegaard to Saka. Saka does the guy. Back. Sweet pass. Ah, Sarah. Oh God.
Hello?
God. And they hear your Oga Magnus. You don't score 1-0. Please say you miss him.
Hello? No.
Baba, don't fear. Nothing they happen here. Ah, don't they fear. They watch ball. Big goal they smell. Another goal they smell. Go! 2-0. Alba. They made. Man, 2-0. I said go they smell. God. Don't scatter my dada. God. 2-0. They go chop am today.
Oh my.
2-0.
2-0.
Where you dey fear? I say no fear, nothing dey sup.
Even the best for the goals there. You see one play because we don't too bully and say no they try again.
Yes, see the highlights, God. I want the highlight again. Replay. That's Smith-Rowe.
Oh boy. Correct.
Nice.
You see that combination was on and this guy.
Hey.
Nice.
The sweetest thing for the goal now they place him.
Yes, now. Last angle.
Because that is a.
Oh, but still Tierney pass. Tierney, and they tell them about Tierney.
More words go.
Sigolo. Hey! Sigolo! Go! 3-0! Bukayo! Baba, I hear you.
So you see that motivation. See that
almost Eddie got stand up, standing ovation. Eddie got stand up.
See that egg. You know see that egg. You know see that egg.
Now what
I see I'm there now.
Two of them there.
I know say Barrister keep talking say make we see go this man. You see this goal.
So what I'm trying to say is this, I was telling you earlier on.
What I'm saying is, he get what they call composure.
Yes.
Pepe's composure is 0. Or maybe 10. Saka's composure is 80. Because everyone is moving forward, he's thinking.
Ah, God.
Should I go left? What should I do? What should I move? Pepe na one-sided person. So it's easy to contain. But with Saka, you know, say he's got to do the right thing.